What if your liftgate start adding up like this? And his button, try again. The struts are going out and need to be replaced, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, turn the power liftgate off. You can find the button located right next to the glove box. Find the button here to turn off the power lift electronic. There's a button down there. And make sure that this one is all the way out. After the power to the strut turn off, now open the liftgate all the way to the top. If you look behind the liftgate on the panel in the rear, you will see two covers, one on the left, like this one, and there's another one on the right. And inside, you will find the wire that connect to the power strut. I'm going to show you how to get this cover removed. So here he has an opening here. Try to use a plastic trim removal tool. Don't use a metal one like a screwdriver, or you may damage your plastic panel. There are two plastic tabs on both sides of the plastic panel covers. Try not to use too much force, or you may break any of the plastic tab. Here is the back side of the plastic cover with 4 yellow tabs. After the cover is removed, you will see a white connector with a black cable. The black cable connects to the power strut. Push down the tabs on both sides and then unplug the white connector out from the socket. On the side of the tailgate, there's a seal look like a plug, which keeps the water get inside the panel, and loosen it, take it out, but don't remove the whole cable yet. Just leave it there. Repeat the same procedure to the left side covers. Same way, unplug the cable of the strut from the socket and loosen the seal on the side of the tailgate. Well, put a ladder here and support this once you take it out. This thing, once you take this out, this thing will come down. And there are 2 screws that hold the strut to the body of the car. They are all 10 mm, so find a 10 mm socket like this. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. After the 2 bolts are taken out, I found out that the tailgate was not tall enough, so I found a piece of wood like that to hold the tailgate higher. Next is to remove the 2 screws on the side of the tailgate, also a 10 mm socket, but this one you need a longer socket or you need an extension. While loosening up the bolt, I didn't loosen one and then the other. I loosened both at the same time because there's still pressure on the strut and you don't want to damage the bolt. It's just one bolt hanging on it. After I removed the last bolt, the strut fell down. That's why I did not take out the cable, because it helped to hold the strut from falling down to the ground. Just want to let you know the strut itself is not light, but it's not too heavy. Just want to make sure that you be careful when you're taking it out. After the strut is taken off, you see that the bracket leave a mark on the paint, and so it's the time to clean up all the dirt. Alright, move on to the left side. Same step, 10 mm bowl, counterclockwise to remove the bracket. You don't need a long socket here, just a regular small socket will work. A long one with extension won't work on this case because the strut itself is blocking it. It's a lot easier to use a small socket in this case. Here the one on the lift gate need a long 10 mm socket or a small one with an extension because you won't be able to reach without a long socket or deep socket. Hey, don't forget to clean off the dirt from where the bracket attached to. Hey, these two are the broken one. These two are the one I bought from eBay. I used one from my 2015 Highlander. So if you go for the new one, each one will be $300, at least $400 each. So it'll be $700. Plus you have to buy separately. This, and then it end up being $900 for the whole set, brand new. So I just bought that from eBay. See how it works. Okay, this strut and an arrow. It's pointing up, and you have a mark on it. To the left, right there. And on the other end, an arrow. See, pointing up. So this is the left. This is the right. There's an arrow here pointing up on this side. So when doing it, make sure you're doing it right. Okay, this is the right hand side, right there. And this is this here, go this here, and make sure this is up. So just here, just go just on the one on top first because you can adjust the bottom. Okay. Make sure that the arrow is pointing at the right directions, which is pointing up. When you look at the bracket itself, it has a longer hole and a regular hole. Insert the bolt into a longer hole first so you get some room for adjustment. Now put in the second one. Use a 10 mm socket to tighten the bolt, but not too tight. Otherwise you could strip the bolt, and I don't want that to happen. Alright. After the bolts are tightened, insert the plug and the cable into the hole and make sure that weather seal is in place properly, and I don't want any water to get inside. Alright, done with the left side. Now doing the right side. Put the bow and the bracket to the body first. Make sure that the arrow is pointing upward. Remember, it's a 10 mm small socket, not the deep socket. Here we don't need to tighten the bow yet because we may need some adjustment. Well, time to put in the other bracket on the other side. And make sure the arrow also pointing upward. Don't flip it the other way, it won't fit. Insert the bow to the hole and tighten it. Adjust the bracket and put in the second bow. I alternate the two bows because you don't want to tighten one side and then the other one doesn't fit and then force it in and strip the bow. So you save it that way.
Alright.
Fish the wire into the hole. Plug in the seal on the side, make sure it is plugged in.
Next thing to do is connect this. You cannot go the other way. It won't fit. So it'll only go one way. Make sure you clip. So the other side, same way.
Push it all the way in until you hear click. And you are good to go.
Alright.
Oh, I almost forgot the two covers I left out and to put it back to the tailgate to cover the holes.
Okay, put the cover back. This side's done. The passenger side next. Alright, all done. Both sides, this side, and the driver's side. Here you hear 2 bit. The strut are not activated, so you activate the strut, you need to close it manually.
After closing the tailgate manually, it's safe now to turn on the power in the front. Remember the button next to the glove box, push it in to turn on the liftgate power. Moment of truth. Let's see if it works or not.
Can you open? Alright.
Close it.
Alright, it closed by itself.
Finally got it fixed with the eBay OEM one. From what I read, do not buy any third-party strut and you will regret. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. See you later.